In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a Google form to a Wix website step by step. This is perfect if you want to collect contact details, feedback, surveys, or registrations directly on your Wix site using Google Forms. You don't need any coding experience, and this works on both Wix Editor and Wix Studio. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy website and software tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open a new tab in your browser and go to Google Forms. You can do this by visiting forms.google.com and signing in with your Google account. Once you're logged in, either open an existing form that you've already created or create a new form from scratch. Make sure your form is completely ready, including all questions, settings, and confirmation messages, because this is the version that will be embedded on your Wix website. Now, with your Google form open, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on the three dots menu. From the drop-down options, click on Embed HTML. This option allows you to generate a code snippet that can be placed directly into your website. A small pop-up window will appear showing the embed code for your Google form. You can adjust the width and height if you want, but the default settings usually work fine for most Wix pages. Once you're happy with the size, click on the Copy button to copy the entire embed code to your clipboard. Next, open another tab and go to wix.com. Log into your Wix account and open the website where you want to add the Google form. Once the Wix editor loads, navigate to the page where you want the form to appear. Inside the Wix editor, look for the Add Elements option, usually represented by a plus icon. Click on it to open the Elements menu. In the search bar, type the word Embed. This will quickly bring up the embed options available in Wix. From the results, click on Embed Code, and then select Enter Code. Wix will now add an embed element to your page and open a window where you can paste your custom code. Now, paste the Google Form embed code that you copied earlier into the code box. After pasting the code, click on the Update button to apply the changes. You should now see your Google Form appear directly on your Wix page. You can resize and reposition the form just like any other element in Wix. Make sure it fits nicely within your page layout and looks good on both desktop and mobile views. Once everything looks the way you want, click Publish to make the changes live on your website. That's it! You've successfully added a Google form to your Wix website. Visitors can now fill out the form directly on your site, and all responses will be collected automatically in Google Forms. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Wix, Google, and website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.